1966 Ford Fairlane Raven Black 390 FE 4-speed top loader car. It is a true GT Q code car. Original 4-speed, not original 390. There's a full body off restoration. 4-speed, new clutch, original interior blue. Clutch is tight, gearbox is tight, doors are all tight, body is original Raven Black. Once again, 390 FE Ford engine, 4-speed Ford top loader, transmission, power disc brakes. 1966 Chevy Impala, all original 48,000 mile car, original black car, original paint, 396 big block car. Original matching number 396. The pad can be matched to the VIN. This is a power steering, power front disc brake car, 396, automatic, black on black, all original black paint, black interior. Once again, matching number flag engine car. Body is extremely straight. 1970 Corvette, full rotisserie restoration. Original 383 big block car, running twin Garrett turbos. Body is laser straight. Original running gear, 727 torque flight. 383 gear ratio in the back. Posi traction, green bearing Mosier axles. Updated electronics. Go ahead, pull the hood off. 727 into a modern shifter, boost gauge, water, that was a cold start, oil pressure, fuse box. Twin Garrett, electric, aluminum radiator, both are Garrett 3s, intercoolers, all of the piping and plumbing is done with the mandrel bender. Professional build, 8-to-1 compression, 383 original matching number big block. You can hear the wastegates open, fully functional, Willwood brake kit, half cage, integrated in, full original interior is brand new. Steelies on the side, dog dish. Original vinyl top. So once again, original matching numbers 383, 727 torque flight, posi track rear end. It is a Dodge Coronet 500. Car is absolutely gorgeous inside and out. '69 Pontiac Firebird 428 4-speed car, body off restoration, black interior, black buckets, 4-speed, clutch tight, steering tight, 428 ram air hood. .428 big block, updated fuel lines, fuel pressure gauge, power steering, power disc. Actually, this is just a power drum car. It is running full length headers, 40 series Flowmaster exhaust, 4-speed transmission, dash pad excellent condition, body lines on the car nice and straight, up and down. Big chrome 17s on it. No major imperfections in the body. We can find a couple little chips here and there, but overall, excellent looking car. Iconic 69 Firebird 428, 4-speed, red on chrome 17s. Super quick car as well. Last muscle car that we got, 66 Ford GTA clone. Has 4-wheel disc brakes. Also a full rotisserie restoration on this car. 302 crate small block engine. GTA functioning dash. That was an ice cold start as well. Original manuals come with the car. Paint on this car is a 9.5 out of 10. I can't find anything wrong with it. Extremely well put together. 302 crate engine, power steering. Response on the car is excellent. So 302 with the C4 automatic, 1966 Ford GT or GTA clone, 302 crate engine, 4-wheel disc brakes.